Alright, so today I'm going to show you the IND TBO BX-R11 UV cabinet that we have here. Basically it's a large cabinet for disinfecting, well, basically whatever you can fit in here. You open the door here, see all the bulbs in there. We've got bulbs on the door, bulbs on each side, bulbs at the top, bulbs at the bottom, and long bulbs across the back for complete coverage of whatever you put in there. All the shelves have holes in them so that the light shines through. So basically you just open it, put in whatever you want to disinfect, and then you close it back up. Latches right here, and when you close it, what's going to happen is it's going to push this pressure switch. This pressure switch right here allows it to operate, so that the unit will not turn on unless this is depressed. Keeps you from being exposed when you open it. So if you open it, it'll actually turn itself off. So anyway, we're going to latch it shut, top and bottom. So now that pressure switch is pressed. This is the timer here, currently set to be adjusted in 10-second increments. You don't want to mess with that bottom adjustment there, but this is, as you can see, it's set to I believe it's 10-second increments. Yes. If you want to change that, you can adjust this orange knob and it will change it in 10-second increments. Okay, so we're just going to leave it like it is for now, just to show you the operation. So once you have your timer selected, however much time you want on it, you're going to plug it in. This unit has a 515 cord cap. We have all cord cap options available. So we're going to plug that in. Now it's on. You can see the light on the timer there is flashing now, so that means it's activated. So you have power to the unit. It's not on yet. We haven't pressed start yet. So when we press start, now your indicator light comes on, lets you know that the lights inside the unit are on. So that's now disinfecting. When you want to stop it, if you want to stop it before the timer runs out, just press stop, or you just let the timer run out. And you open it back up, retrieve your items, and then close it back up for the next one. I'm actually going to show you the lights coming on with the door open here. What we're going to do is I've got the timers on there. I'm going to press start. See, it's activated now. I'll press this pressure switch, and there you go.